Okay.
Ready na?
Oo.
Nakuha. Edwin, um, my very best friend in the whole wide world. Happy birthday. I've always said this, and I'll say it over and over. If there's one person in the world who deserves every good thing that's happening to him right now, that person would be you. You have been a good friend. As a matter of fact, you have been more than a friend to me. You're like a brother to me. I know that you're a good son, how good you are to your parents, a good brother. Now a good husband to Lisa and a good dad to your kids. And you deserve every good thing that's happening to you. Congratulations for having achieved everything that you've ever wished for in life. And I wish you more blessings, good health, hopefully one more kid, long life of togetherness with Lisa, and I hope to see you soon. Come and visit us, hopefully next year. And once again, happy birthday, and one way or another, I'll see you soon. God bless, and send my regards to Lisa and the kids as well. Happy birthday!
Ang bilin.